So for this next question, it says, consider the piecewise function shown on the graph, which is composed of the polynomial, constant, and exponential pieces. Then the question is, over which interval of the domain is the function increasing? So let me zoom in so we can see that a little better. Well, where is this thing increasing? Well, we have to read this like a book, right? So first and foremost, let's keep in mind that we have to, oops, got light there. We have to read like a book. And what I mean by that is when we read the graph like a book, we look at it from left to right. So we're going to go, and the reason we're doing that because it says as x increases. Oh, that's not a very good arrow. That's because a lot of times it'll say as x increases. Well, the only way that x increases is when you go to the right. All right. So now as x increases, the question really is, where does y increase? Okay, that's what they're really asking us, is where does y increase? And I probably sound like a broken record, but it's important that you guys understand that when I say y, in this particular case, y equals f of x. Technically, this is not a function either, but I don't want to be too critical of that. But if I go from left to right, it's my y value here. My y value here is increasing. In other words, I start off way down here at y equals 1, and as I continue to travel up this path, it keeps increasing, probably right until x equals negative 4. Now from there, here, it's constant, so it's not increasing or decreasing. And then I'm decreasing. My y value is decreasing. I'm going down. So as I read this left to right, I'm going up, 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 not going up or down. And then here I'm going down. So going down is decreasing. So let me label this. Up is increasing. All right. Now, from here to here, from here to here, we're not going up and we're not going down. And then from here to here, we're going down, which is decreasing. So if you ever get a question that says, on what interval are we decreasing? Just look at the graph going down as you go left to right. So then what's the answer? Well, it's the interval of the domain is the question, right? At which interval on the domain? So it looks like it goes all the way to negative infinity in the x direction up to negative 4. And that's the answer.